Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to access your device manager. Click on your Windows Start button. Type device manager. Then I want you to select Universal Bus Controllers. Double click. Now USB root hub. You might have more than one. And I want you to right click on it, choose Properties, Power Management, and then uncheck this part. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Then click on OK. If you have more than one, right click Properties, Power Management, uncheck, and then OK. Once done, on the same section, on the first or second option over here, it could be Intel or AMD depending on your CPU. Just right click on it, choose Properties. Oh no, uninstall device. All right. And once you have selected or uninstalled the device, restart your computer or laptop, get back here. It should now work. However, if not, if you have more than one, then proceed, right click, just make sure it's the 3.10 property, no, uninstall device. Again, restart, and then get back here on your screen. Everything should now be working. Your USB ports should now function as normal. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.